Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to group picture and its caption together in Microsoft Word. Grouping ensures that the image and its caption stay connected. So, they move, resize and align together without getting separated while editing the document. This technique is very useful when creating reports, research paper, presentation, manuals and professional documents where picture must always stay attached to their captions. So let's get started. Now we can see here assignment document. Now I go to some down of my document, then insert a picture, go to the insert menu, click the picture option. Now I choose a picture from my file and click insert, then resize the image, then select the image, go to the format menu, click the wrap text option, choose in front of text, then you can move the picture anywhere. Now I want to add the caption, go back insert menu again, click text box. Now I select the simple text box, then I write something. Now I write the headline of the text. Select the text and make the alignment center. You can increase the size, otherwise you can align left. Then I resize that. Select the shape or text box, go to the format menu, click the shape outline, choose no outline, then move the text box on the image size, then select the text again and decrease the size. Now we can see here the picture and the caption, but this not group. Now I want to make this group. Firstly select the picture, then press and hold shift on our keyboard and select multiple object. Go to the format menu, then click the group drop down menu and select grouped. Then we can see we move anywhere the two object here. Now I want to change the size of the picture, automatically resize the text. Now we can see we group picture and caption easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.